Drop the ball over the first. Nice go. Okay, you ready?
Batter up!
Go. Get ready again. Get ready again. Get your feet right. Get your feet set. There you go. Go. Kind of creaked up on the end. That ball in front of your stand right there. Get that elbow up. Get that bat back. Go. All right, get ready again. Get ready. This time, keep your eye on that ball. Hit that star. Hit that star. Ready? Go. There you go.
Run one!